Hello, friends. Today we will see the refilling and operation of DCP type of fire extinguisher. There are many types of fire extinguishers designed to extinguish different types of fire. First, let's see three basic requirements for any sustained fire. 1. Fuel, the combustible material. 2. Heat to reach the fuel to the ignition temperature. And finally 3. Oxidizer to sustain the combustion. If any one among the three mentioned elements is removed, then the fire will get extinguished. And this is the strategy used to design a fire extinguisher. Depending upon the type of fuel, there are mainly 4 types of fire. A, B, C, D types. In A type of fire, the fuel is a solid combustible material. In B type of fire, the fuel is a flammable liquid. In C type of fire, the fuel is a flammable gas. In the D type of fire, the fuel is combustible metal. Here we can see on these fire extinguishers BC is written. That means these fire extinguishers are used for liquid and gas type fuel fires. Similarly, on some fire extinguishers, ABC is written, meaning these fire extinguishers are used for 3 types of fuel fire, that is solid, liquid and gas type fuels. DCP means dry chemical powder. It is used for the B and C type of fire, that is liquid and gas type of fire. Briefly, let's identify some basic parts of the DCP fire extinguisher. This is a steel metal cylinder. This is an assembly cap. This is a discharge hose pipe. This discharge hose pipe is connected to a siphon tube that runs inside the tank till its bottom, which gives a passage to release a high-pressure DCP. This is a CO2 cartridge. This is an inner container. This is a plunger. For refilling, the assembly cap is removed. The inner container is removed. Then the powder, the DCP inside the tank, is replaced with the new DCP. The cartridge is also checked. A cartridge is nothing but a CO2 container. If the cartridge is punctured or CO2 is leaked out of the cartridge, then it is replaced with the new one. The function of the plunger is checked. Plunger should work. If not, greasing is done, or the plunger is replaced. Now once all the important parts are checked and DCP is filled, the inner container is fitted. Then assembly cap with the cartridge is fitted. The discharge hose pipe is fitted. Finally, don't forget to put the safety pin. This safety pin prevents any unintended operation of the fire extinguisher due to accidental pressing of the plunger. Now, let's see the operation of this fire extinguisher. Once we remove the safety pin and press this plunger, the plunger punctures the cartridge, releasing the CO2 inside the inner container. Then this inner container releases the gas inside the cylinder with high pressure. Then this mixture of CO2 and DCP comes out of the siphon tube, and finally, this is directed towards the fire using this discharge hose pipe. This is how the fire is extinguished using DCP. So guys, this is about fire extinguishers. Hope you like the video. If yes, please press the like button. For more videos, please subscribe. Thank you.